So you're failing at the things, then congratulations. You're at least trying. It is better to try the things and fail at them other than regretting at the end of their life. Do you know what is the biggest regret the people have at the end of their life? They haven't tried the things. I don't want you to be that person who thinks at the end of their deathbed that I should have tried that, I should have done that, but now the time is gone away in your hands. There's nothing in your hands. You should try the things each and every way. You might or might not success. You may not be succeed in that thing. So what? At least you have tried. Most of the people don't even try the things what they want to do in their life. People are just sitting and thinking what they want in their life and not doing the things that are required to achieve their goals. Try things. Come out of your comfort zone. Build something. Try something. Fail at things. Do experiments with your life. Maybe some experiments will blast. Maybe you will succeed. Maybe you will fail. So what? At the end of your life, you at least don't have this regret that you haven't tried the things. Do you know most of the musicians are died because they are only thinking of making music. They're only thinking of making music, but they never tried in their life. So in each and every person there is a unique quality, and you should search for that. And to search for that, you have to try the things. You have to be some uncomfortable from your life and do the things that you want to do. And I'm saying I'm sitting idle, I'm thinking what should I do, it's not possible for me, I can't do that. This is all rubbish. If you think, if you can say Elon Musk thinks like you, yeah, what if I will fail? He will not reach the level where he is now. You have to come out of your comfort zone. Do the things that are bit uncomfortable for you, and that will raise your confidence level a bit high. It will raise your self-esteem. You can talk to people with more confidence. You will look like a more confident person because it will help you from inside that you have tried many things. But some people even don't try. They don't want to try, actually, they don't want to fail. Failure, remember friends, failure are the steps to the success. If you're not failing, it means you are not trying the things. And if you're not trying the things, that means you are not able to reach the level that you want to achieve in your life, and the things that you want to achieve in your life will not be yours. You can sit idle at the things and thinking that I want to do the things, or you can take some actions, try some experiments, and do the things that you want to do in your life. And one more thing, if you know the end result of that thing, it means it's not an experiment. So experiments are those things that you don't know what will be the result of that, and for that you have to try the things, try the new things that you haven't tried before. If I take an example of myself, for the last year I was not able to speak in front of the people. I'm not able to face the camera. I can't speak a one word in front of the mobile or any camera. The questions arises in mind, what people will say. Now I have jumped out of my comfort zone and doing the things that I want to do in my life. If people are seeing my video, it's very nice. I can express my views through these videos. If they are not looking into my video, so what? It's good. At least I am doing the things from my part. If you want to achieve the things and do whatever you want to do in mind, you have to come outside of your shell. The whole shell of your body is stopping you, maybe from your subconscious mind, from your programming from your childhood, that it's not possible for you. You may are thinking that it's not possible for you, but if you haven't tried that, it means you are not doing the things. You should fail. And if the number of failures are more, the chances of your success are more. You want to start a business, but you are thinking, what if I fail? So what? Next time when you start a business, you are not starting from scratch, you are starting from your experience. You will get that experience. So step by step, failure by failure, you will reach at that top level where you want to achieve. Maybe you want to become one of the best businessmen, 30 under 30. For that, you have to start doing the things at the early stage. Maybe in the 20s, you start and thinking what you want to do in your life. Sorry, if you have crossed that age, no problem. You can start now, because there's a power in the now. If you start now, from 1 year, you will be a changed person. But if you are thinking that I will do it from tomorrow, it's not possible for me, I will learn the things and then implement the sorry guys, it's very difficult for that. You have to try the things, you have to fail at the things, and then only you can achieve what you want to achieve in your life. Come on. Come on. Get up and do the things. Don't sit idly in your couch and stupid people. Come out. Try the things. Fail. Multiple times fail. Be that Thomas Edison who has failed 10,000 times and then he's got the filament for that bulb. If he thought that I have failed, I will not try, then what happens? You know, when you try, you experiment, and you never know when that experiment become your life. Madame Curie's experiment of radium is not actually inventing that or finding that radium, but it is through that experiment she got to know about that element. It isn't accidentally, but for that she is doing her research, she is doing her experiments, she is trying and failing again and again. So people, if you want to succeed in your life, get up, go outside, move out of your comfort zone. Leave that comfort zone outside there. Come out of your shell. Be the person you want to do the things. Try the things. Experiment the things. Live your life. Enjoy your life. And your future self will thank you that you have tried the things. We'll meet tomorrow with again another video. Till then, goodbye.